Hey everybody, my name is Abe and I'm going to be showing you how to put together your field sketch journal as part of the Contra Costa County Library's summer reading program. So in order to do so, you're going to need to print out the pages that are included online. It's going to be a document that includes 3 pages. It's going to be the field sketch journal cover, the daily challenge list, and some how to assemble and how to use instructions. We're going to keep these to the side for today. You're going to need to take these first 2 pages here and make sure that the field sketch journal cover is on the top. And then you're going to need to grab at least 8 blank white pages that are about the same size in order to create a nice big notebook to be able to draw all of our drawings that we're going to be working on this summer. You're going to layer these 2 pages on top of the blank pages underneath and match them as best you can. All your corners meeting and all your edges being as close as you can to the middle. Then you're going to notice this line that goes right through the middle of your page. We're going to be folding along that line in order to turn these pages into our little sketch journal booklet. So you're going to grab one edge. I'm going to line up the corners up here at the top as best I can. And then we're going to crease right along that middle part to get all of our pages to line up and create this booklet. Just like that. You'll notice the black line is right here, and all of our pages are on this side. Now, in order to keep our book together, we're going to use a stapler. I've got this puppy-shaped one right here, and I'm going to try my best to align the stapler right here to a little bit into the edge. I'll turn my book so you can kind of see that I went just a little bit in. I don't want to go all the way to where the branches are because that's going to take up a lot of room when I'm on my pages where I could be drawing on them. So I'm just going to line it up right there, and then I'm going to press down. Alright, I put 3 staples right here on the edge to hold my book together. This should make it easier for you to be able to flip your book open and have access to our sheets of paper here on the inside. On the cover, there's a little space here for your name. So I'm going to put Abe right up here on the front. And on the inside, that very first page that we looked at was the daily challenge list. Everybody, this is a prompt list that you can use to inspire a different drawing every day for a whole 30 days this summer. And I'm going to show you kind of how to get started on your very first one here. The very first one on the daily challenge list here is green. Now, these words are meant to inspire something in you, and it can be kind of anything that you associate with the color green and maybe also the summer. For me, when I think of green, I think of leaves and plants. So that's the first thing that I'm going to try to sketch over here. On our very first blank page, I'm going to go ahead and write the number of the day that I'm going to be drawing for. Number 1, the word was green. And then I think over here next to it, I'm also going to write down what day it is today. So I'm going to just put, maybe it's the middle of summer when you get started. So I'm going to put down June 30th, 22. And then below that, you have this whole page set up for you where you can draw something that reminds you of the color green. So I said plants, and because it's the summer, why not a sunflower? So, you should go in here, draw something nice and simple for yourself. You can take as little or as long on these as you would like. You don't have to make each day a masterpiece, but it's kind of nice to have a little rhythm to your summer where every day you can look forward to drawing something new. Boom! It doesn't have to be something that takes you super long, but the more that you practice and the more that you draw every day, you'll notice by the end of the summer that you'll have had a lot of drawing practice, and you'll have a whole book full of memories of the summer that you put together yourself. If you're the kind of person who likes to color, you can add as much detail and effort to your drawing as you like. If you want to challenge yourself by using things like pens or another fun drawing material that you got, you can do that as well. The sky's really the limit for how much effort you put in to your work. And that's basically how you put together and get started with your field sketch journal. I hope you all have a great time drawing over the summer, and best of luck.